is held in place by Jormungand, the serpent.
Followed by Fenrir, and Thor killing and being killed by the Midgard serpent Jormungandr, with the battle ending in the destruction of the world.
Meanwhile, the great Thor threw down his main enemy, the serpent Jormungandr, but was stricken.
As we think of it today, for around Midgard swirls a bounding ocean, and around that ocean curls the great serpent Jormungandr.
Number 2, Jormungandr. Known as the Midgard Serpent, he was said to be so magical.
I'm Ron Mackenzie Lafergie. Jormungandr, otherwise known as the World Serpent, is said to be the creature that sets off the end and
Thor fighting the World Serpent Jormungandr.
And underworld, Jormungand, the World Serpent that will cause the death of Thor at Ragnarok, and